Hey artists! Today we have Hilary, one of our local Lost Artistry Lash ambassadors, and she's going to be doing an L-curl set on her model today, which I'm really excited to see because I am loving L-curl right now. And before we begin, I wanted to say first that Hilary's Instagram is studio.jubilee, so definitely give her a follow. But before we begin, I wanted to ask you a couple things about L-curl, because it is a specialty product, so a lot of people aren't actually sure when they should use L-curl or how they should use it. So how do you use L-curl?
So I use L-curl on straight lashes, clients with straight lashes, or hooded eyes.
Cool.
Yeah, it really opens up the eye.
Yeah, and do you find that you get better retention because the base is flat and then it kind of veers into a really
there's more contact.
Yes.
There's more contact on the lash, so it's definitely better retention.
And were you nervous about looking at L-curl and using it for the first time?
Yeah, it's always like nerve-wracking to choose something that you're not used to.
And then go for it.
Yeah.
Did you maybe like get a model first and then try it out, or did you just go for it?
No, I liked the look of it when I saw on your Instagram.
Thanks.
And then my client who has straighter lashes, she wanted to try it out, so we gave it a try, and she loves it now.
Okay, do you find that when you use L-curl on a suited client that they never go anywhere else, like they're hooked?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. I find the same thing. So my only other question is, I personally find that when I'm working on hooded eyes, I can bump my lengths up pretty high just because I don't find them super noticeable like I would find them on an almond-shaped eye or something like that. Do you find the same?
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, I found that as well.
Awesome. Well, I'm really excited to see the work that you create today.
So my client has straighter lashes, so I'm going to be using L-curl. We're going to use 3D, 4D, and 5D just because they're on the thinner side, so we'll just go by each lash and what they can handle. So we're going to use an iPad and my favorite tape, which is Nextcare sensitive tape, the boot tweezer for pickup, and I like a straight isolation tweezer, and micro swabs and mascara wands, obviously, lash bath, and bondage glue. So before we start the service, I'm going to use the Gluberator to shake up the glue, and then we're going to prime to get rid of any debris.